roadside with a view looking down to Troller's Gill. Just had to get out. Got my camping set up. And so I might go on to some cross caverns or cold cuts. I've been there before. And see how that goes. Just love the peace and tranquility from camping in my car. At the moment there's nobody around me and just the occasional passing carts. I come here and I can just find some perfect moments where I'm completely calm and present. I'm away from my usual social media. Yeah, I know I'm videoing this, okay, but my usual social media, I'm not on my PC. I do enjoy playing games and talking to people around the world. There's a car. But here, I don't have access to that. Actually, no, I'm saying that. I've got my phone. My phone has now, here, there's a 4G signal. This is a great place to know that I've got communications if I need it, but it's a lot easier to detach. So it's 2:30 a.m. The wind's still howling heavily outside, so I'm here. I've been reading, I finished my book. And just listening to the wind. Ooh.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me
There's a path up to the
high.
quarry.
Baby, you give me
We're doing that today. Going back to the car now.
You're channeling wind around.